Yo, what's up everyone on YouTube? It's your boy Amherst Got Kicks. I'm back again with another video. Sorry for looking scrubbed out today. I'm not feeling like myself. Um um all the like restrictions are finally starting to get lifted. So I do miss going out and talking to people. I can't wait to start going out and talking to people again. I went out a few weeks ago. It felt weird because we've been on lockdown for the past 2 years. Haven't been out in 3 years. 2019 was the last time I went out, and I was never a crazy outgoing person to begin with. Like I did meet quite a few people going out to bars and pubs and restaurants and like clubbing and stuff, etc. But I used to go out like once every few months or so, but I had a good time. I miss doing that. I want to get back into it slowly. But on the other note, we are doing another unboxing video. Um this came in the mail a couple weeks back. Sorry, I haven't made a video about it. I've been I forgot, and also I was lazy and I was busy with work and whatnot. But let's get into it. So this I had to order from the States because I couldn't find my size anywhere in Canada. Um, Now you may be wondering what it is. Sorry, I don't have my letter opener today or um, Swiss Army knife, but so it comes in this bag right here. I'll show you what it is. I totally didn't even realize that this collection had dropped. It dropped back in October of last year. I did see stuff about it online, but they didn't really, like, pages didn't really post much about, like, release dates and stuff, so I wasn't sure when it was releasing. But, they did a full-on collection, and now I'm slowly trying to get pieces from the collection if possible, if they restock ever. There is, a pretty high resale market around it right now, if people don't know. And here it is. Now you can see from what I'm showing you, this is, it came nicely folded. I had to order this one from the States because I couldn't find larger size in Canada anywhere. They did release the collection on line, but it sold out like right away. This is the Vans Friday the 13th collection. If it just shows right there. I went one size up from what I usually fit in Vans hoodies. I've never bought a Vans hoodie before. I've never tried one. Well, I have tried them on in stores, but I've never owned one. The only one I own right now is the Pennywise You'll Float 2 hoodie, but I bought that to sell. I didn't buy it to keep. I might buy one to wear, but I'll have to upsize. But this hoodie apparently sold out like within like minutes. The full collection. And also this hoodie glows in the dark. So on this sleeve, it says off the wall, like Vans. I guess that's their like logo or something they do. And then on this sleeve it says Friday the 13th. Now, if you are into horror movies like I am, you know Friday the 13th. It's a classic. Like you can't go wrong. And then on the hood it says Vans. And I didn't know, but this hoodie glows in the dark. I looked into it. This hoodie is selling for crazy money right now. Retail on this was, well, since I ordered this one from the U.S. currency and prices are usually different than here in Canada. And here in Canada, this retailed for 95 Canadian dollars. In the U.S., it retailed for 74.50. It shows right here. It says Friday the 13th, Vans. And it is an officially licensed item. And then it also has a tag that says glow in the dark. Brilliant whatever it is. The collection was called House of Terror. So right there, House of Terror, Vans. Then on the back it says Friday the 13th. And then that's the MSRP tag right there if you want to look at that. But I saw this hoodie online. I was like, yo, I have to have that hoodie. I didn't need it, but I wanted it. Um, I usually fit a size extra large in Vans hoodies, but I talked to some people and they said Vans doesn't do loose fit; they do regular fit. So I would say go up one size, and the largest they offered in this hoodie was a 2X. And it's very rare that I have to go 2X. I can normally fit a size large to a size extra large, but because we've been on lockdown for the past 2 years, uh, everyone that I talked to, they said that their weight has changed. Mine personally has, so I do have to upsize sometimes. Like for example, in suits, I used to be a size 44. Now I have to go size 46 or 48, depending on the store that I go to. But this hoodie is reselling online right now. Like on the front, it also has a Jason Voorhees ski mask, which also glows in the dark. But this hoodie online is depending on the size. The only size I managed to find on Vans website directly was a size medium and a size large for Canada. If you're looking for like a size small or a size extra large or anything, then ASOS.com has it, but they ship from out of country, I think. But I got the Friday the 13th backpack from this collection, and it came from ASOS, and I had to pay import fees. I think it came from the UK. But yeah, this hoodie's reselling for like $300 to $350. Some you can find it on eBay right now in certain sizes for like 200 something dollars. Um, like it's crazy because even the Vans Pennywise You'll Float 2 hoodie that I have, that thing's selling for like anywhere between $200 to $350, depending on what size it is and who the seller is and where it's shipping from. But they did a full on collection. Like they did one for the movie. I think it's a movie or it was a band. I don't remember. Let me know in the comment section down below. Lost Boys. They did one for The Exorcist. They did one for It. They did one for Friday the 13th, and they did one for The Shining, I believe. But the whole collection sold out within minutes. It has slightly started to restock, so if you're looking to grab some pieces out of it, I honestly was unaware that this collection even dropped. I found out after it dropped, so I'm now scrambling to get pieces from it. Like I have the Vans backpack, the Pennywise one. That one's sitting on Vans website right now. If you're looking to grab it, it's only like $50, but it's reselling online for like almost $200. Um, the Friday the 13th Jason Voorhees backpack is retail like I saw it sitting at the Vans store in Vancouver actually. Should have bought it when they had it. They probably still do. I asked the guy working there. He said they did get in the Pennywise hoodie and in the Friday the 13th hoodie, and they sold out right away. So if you're looking to wear it or looking to sell it, they're good pieces to grab right now while you can. Uh, Journeys has stores in Canada. It's a U.S. company. If you live in the States, yeah, I checked Journeys website. They did have up to a size extra large, but it sold out right away. Right now they only have a size small, I believe, in stock. But Vans has a size only one medium left, and then they have four size larges left, men's. They also did like for girls they did like they're called like BFF like crew necks. Friday the 13th Jason Voorhees ones. They did the Shining crew necks for guys. They did like I would love them to make a Halloween of Michael Myers collection. If they ever did that, I would buy literally every piece because one of my favorite horror movies. I love horror movies. One of my favorite are is Halloween. The new one that came out last year was good, but I wasn't too big of a fan of it. Personally, I thought the one from 2018 was better than the one that came out last year. Some people may have mixed opinions. I was kind of stuck in the middle. Like, do I like it? Do I hate it? I don't know how to feel about it, but I didn't know how to feel about it. But thanks for watching, guys. Much love. Sorry I didn't do more in-depth like looks at this. Maybe on my actual camera I will. I do have an actual camera. I haven't used it in a while, but sitting around somewhere. But take care, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm in. I'm out. Peace. Bye. Take care. Enjoy the rest of your day.